Imagine you've been out of work and searching for a job for months. The government scheme called Universal Credit has helped you manage rent, utilities, and groceries, but you're just scraping by. Finally, you get a response from a job application and land a position. You receive your first paycheck in ages, and it feels like things are looking up. But there's a hitch. Your new job pays just enough to make you ineligible for the benefit programs, yet not enough to cover all your expenses. To add to the strain, you now have to pay for transportation to work and childcare while you're at the office. Somehow, you end up with less money than you had while unemployed. Economists call this disheartening situation the welfare trap, one of the many poverty traps impacting millions worldwide. Poverty traps are economic and environmental conditions that reinforce themselves, keeping people in poverty for generations. Some traps are linked to individual circumstances, like lack of access to nutritious food or education, while others affect entire nations, such as corrupt governments or climate change cycles. The cruel irony of welfare traps is that they arise from policies designed to combat poverty. Throughout history, societies have employed various strategies to help those in need meet basic necessities. Before the 20th century, religious groups and private charities often spearheaded these efforts. Today, these are known as welfare programs, usually provided by governments as subsidies for housing, food, energy, and healthcare. These programs are typically means-tested, meaning only those below a certain income level qualify for benefits. This ensures aid goes to those most in need, but also means that people lose access as soon as they earn slightly more than the threshold, regardless of their financial stability. This vicious cycle harms both those in poverty and those at the edge of it. Mainstream economic models assume people are rational actors who weigh the costs and benefits of their options and choose the most advantageous path forward. If those in poverty realize they won't gain any net benefit from working, they're discouraged from seeking employment. Of course, people work for various reasons, including societal expectations and personal values, but income remains a major incentive. When fewer people take on new jobs, the economy slows down, trapping more people in poverty and pushing those on the brink over the edge. Some have suggested eliminating government assistance programs entirely to break this feedback loop, but this solution is neither practical nor humane. So, how can we redesign benefits to avoid penalizing people for working? Many countries have tried different approaches to tackle this problem. Some allow individuals to continue receiving benefits for a certain period after finding a job, while others gradually phase out benefits as income rises. These policies reduce the financial disincentive to work, though they don't eliminate it entirely. Other governments provide benefits like education, childcare, or healthcare universally to all citizens. A more radical proposal is universal basic income, which would provide a fixed benefit to everyone, regardless of their income or employment status. This could completely remove welfare traps, as any earned income would supplement the benefit rather than replace it. By creating a stable income floor, basic income might prevent people from falling into poverty in the first place. Numerous economists and thinkers have advocated for this idea since the 18th century, but universal basic income remains largely theoretical. While it's been tested in some areas on a limited scale, these experiments don't provide conclusive evidence on how it would work nationwide or globally. Whatever strategy governments adopt, solving the welfare trap requires respecting people's autonomy and agency. Empowering individuals to create lasting change in their lives and communities is key to breaking the cycle of poverty. And there you have it, folks. The welfare trap is a complex issue with no easy solutions, but understanding it is the first step towards making meaningful change. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to Coco Finance for more insights on economic challenges and practical tips on managing your finances. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's continue to educate ourselves and work together towards a more equitable future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.